Hi there, we're up in northern Norway and I'm wearing the new Outdoor Research Allies line Colossus Jacket, which is warm. One quick caveat, I am wearing a size large, which probably is a little generous for me, and these are earlier pieces, so I'd probably be more comfortable or better suited in a medium. But other than that, it's a very workable and great piece. So this is a completely new development, and you have a waterproof face fabric, a synthetic fill, and it is critically taped. So it's not completely waterproof, but it is waterproof in those areas that you need it to be. The face fabric is an Ascent shell, which is specific to outdoor research. Gives you really high breathability and a really good level of weather protection, which is perfect for this particular environment. The fill is vertical X, and it's got 150 grams of vertical X, and I'm feeling it. The good thing about vertical X is actually it compresses really well, so even though it offers huge amounts of loft and it springs back really quickly, it goes down really small comparatively to what you may already have or have used before. And it's also a very robust fibre, so you can smash it right down into the bottom, and yet the strength in the fibres will keep it solid and good and functional for you. So that's the sort of the makeup of the jacket. Let's talk about the features of the jacket. So if I put my hood up, you'll get to see that you've got a good hood with a good stiffened peak, and it is adjustable with a draw cord at the back there. You can see around the face I have a nice opening. It's not obstructing my field of vision too much, but it's also adjustable here. And you have a lovely little beard warmer on the bottom there, and actually this is great. Even when it's wet, it still stays really nice and warm. On the front of the jacket, you see we've got one full zip all the way down to the bottom with a double zip, so whether you're on a belay stance or whatever, this will work, and it's good weather resist zip. You have one Napoleon pocket here on your left hand side, and that's plenty big enough to get key items in there. And you have two large waistline pockets, again perfect for putting mitts or anything else you need to have in there. Looking down the arms, you see on this side we have one sleeve pocket, and we have a Velcro patch on the shoulder, and that's the same on the right hand side. The glove or the hand closure is a generous Velcro tab, so it's got plenty of space to play with whether you're just in normal gloves like I am here, or you've got bigger mitts. If I take my glove off as well, on the inside there's a really good quality, very nice handle wrist warmer, and that's perfect for this environment when it drops the temperature a little bit. On from there, working around the jacket, it's got a draw cord hem and a nice little piece of drop tail at the back, so it's staying down, it doesn't ride up, and it'll work well with the equipment if you're moving around. So for me, if you're going into a really cold environment and you need something big and snuggly and warm, then this is the perfect piece. It's really moved forward from the technology that's been in the marketplace before, and it's excellent for what you need it to do. I would say that it gets a little bit warm if you're running around in it, but that would be expected and actually what you want. But the combination of the vertical X and the Ascent shell fabric gives you a really robust, very comfortable, very packable warm jacket.